For anyone who's interested in finding out more about Corda, I encourage you to go over to the Corda website that has the Corda Certified Developer certification. The information on the certification is listed there. It's mainly for developers. It's a very technical exam, and I encourage, of course, anyone that's a developer to give it a try. Also, don't forget to go to the Corda website. They have a wealth of information on use cases, technical documents, also a list of partners that they work with as well. Lastly, please do consider taking the Certified Enterprise Blockchain Architect certification from 101 Blockchains. The link is there, and chances are, once you pass, you'll be able to say you are a certified blockchain expert. Let's go ahead and move on to the closeout of the course.